Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at DannyGSThoughtForToday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Reclaim it now. Maybe life didn't turn out as you hoped, or you feel lost, confused, and heartbroken. Perhaps you had much greater plans and the challenges feel much beyond your reach. I can assure you, God is with you when the sun sets, when the night turns dark, and the ground trembles beneath your feet. Believe in the God or Goddess that you are. Claim your freedom and victory now. Cast your faith in Him, and He will cause you to triumph and overcome. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for YouTube. I'm also grateful for Facebook and all the other social media networks. And I'm very grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening.